Time is the most valuable resource we have, and mastering it is the key to achieving ultimate success in business, life, money, and personal growth. Imagine your goals as luxury items like a yacht, supercars, or a mansion. These symbols of success are attainable when you learn to manage your time effectively. The first step is setting clear, achievable goals. Break them down into smaller tasks and prioritize them. Remember, not all tasks are created equal. Focus on what brings you closer to your dreams. Next, eliminate distractions. In an age of constant notifications, it's easy to lose track of time. Set specific periods for focused work and stick to them. Use tools like calendars and to-do lists to keep track of your progress. Balance is also crucial. Allocate time for rest and self-care to maintain high energy levels. Reflect on your daily activities and refine your schedule regularly. Celebrate small victories to stay motivated. Visualization is powerful. Picture yourself achieving your dreams. By mastering time management, you transform every second into an opportunity. Success is not a distant dream, but a reality waiting to be seized. Never give up, and let your disciplined use of time be the vehicle that drives you to the heights of your dreams.